So, got the Wicked Wheel installed. Sorry, let me turn down the radio. Got the Wicked Wheel installed. And so we're gonna see what the sound difference is between the Wicked Wheel and the stock compressor wheel. One thing about it is, when you're installing the Wicked Wheel, in order to get the old one off and put the new one on, you need to use an air impact. Bill at Power Stroke Help is not completely clear about that. Most people could probably see he was using an air impact. I tried with my electric impact. It didn't really work that well. Well, didn't work at all. Electric impacts spin at 3,000 to 3,600 RPMs per minute. Air is between 9 to 11,000, and that's what we had to use in order to get the compressor wheel off of my turbo. So let me roll down the passenger side window, because most of the whistle you'll hear is coming from the exhaust. So, song I really like, but I'll turn it down so you guys can hear the turbo. It really actually does make a huge difference in the overall drivability of the pickup. Again, honk over the cattle guard so the trolls don't stab your tires. Just a little bit below where we took the video the other day. Or I took the video, whatever. You need to get one of those windshield mounts single cams told me about. Trying to hold my phone and drive down the road just makes it a little difficult. But anyways, you can see at lower throttle there's more of a whistle sound coming from it. Seems that my pickup has a little more low end, and I may still have a boost leak because I was frustrated with the whole thing and how long it took me to get it figured out. So once I got it figured out, I kind of threw it together pretty quick. So let's come around this corner and does seem a lot more responsive, and it seems that it has more low end and wants to get up and go a little faster, and it will also hold overdrive quite a bit better. I find myself going a lot faster at this point, which could be a bad thing, but fact of the matter is, it gets rid of the turbo surge and works quite well. And the whistle is not near as bad as like a Freightliner semi. Those things at an idle, when those turbos spool up, because I think they have a variable geometry turbo, they whistle like crazy, and it actually gives me a headache. But this is not bad. Where I got mine was off of Walmart.com. To be honest with you, it cost me under $50, and it be a cheap Chinese knockoff, but it seems good and solid to me when I was looking at it. And so if it makes this big of a difference for $50, and if you do it right, about 4 hours or less of labor, it's well worth it. But again, use an air impact, not an electric. So that's the sound difference and how exactly you should do it. So I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, bye.